Hi everyone, in this video we will see geographical perspective on selected issues and problems. In this lesson we will be discussing about environmental pollution and its types like water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, urban waste disposal, rural-urban migration that causes pollution, land degradation. Now we will start learning environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is the release of substances and energy from waste products of human activities as well as natural activities. It is of various types, thus they are classified on the basis of medium through which pollutants are transported and diffused. The classification of pollution are as follows: water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution or land degradation. Now, water pollution. When exogenous and endogenous matters mix up with the water and make its chemical and physical property changed and unhealthy or unusable is called water pollution. Quality of water is majorly degraded by a number of factors, that is, extreme use of water by fast growing population and expansion of industries. The fast growing population and expansion of industries are the main causes of water pollution. No surface water is found pure from in rivers, canals, lakes, etc., as all the water sources contain small quantities of suspended particles, organic and inorganic substances. Water becomes polluted when quality and quantity of these substances increase in it. It becomes unsuitable for human uses and its self-purifying capacity declines. There are two sources of water pollution: natural, that is, erosion, landslide, decay and decomposition of plants and animals, etc., are natural sources that make water polluted; human or anthropogenic, industrial, agricultural, and cultural activities of human beings make water polluted. Water pollution created from human beings are major problems in modern times. Water pollution. Most of the industrial wastage that, for example, polluted wastewater, poisonous gases, chemical residual numerous heavy metals, dust, smoke, etc., are disposed of in running water, lakes, reservoirs, rivers, and other water bodies, and thus destroy the biosystem of these waters. Major culprits are leather, pulp and paper, textiles, and chemical industries of water pollution. Today, use of various types of chemicals like inorganic fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides are common in agriculture. These chemicals pollute surface water such as rivers, lakes, tanks, as well as groundwater by infiltrating into the soil. These fertilizers increases the amount of nitrate content of surface water. Besides this, cultural activities such as pilgrimage, religious fair, tourism, etc. also causes water pollution. In India, almost all surface water sources are contaminated and unfit for human consumption. Use of polluted water can be harm human health and can cause various waterborne diseases. For example, diarrhea, intentional wounds, hepatitis, etc. World Health Organization shows that about one-fourth of the communicable diseases in India are waterborne. Here, Namami Ganga project. Namami Gange program is an integrated conservation mission approved a flagship program by the Union government in June 2014. The Union government has launched the Namami Gange program with the following objectives should be remembered. Here, developing sewerage system in towns, monitoring the industrial effluents, development of riverfront, afforestation along the bank of river that will increase the biodiversity, cleaning of the river surface, development of Ganga Grams in Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, and creating public awareness to avoid adding pollutants into the river even in the form of rituals. Next, here you can see the sources of pollutants in the Ganga and the Yamuna river. River and state Ganga. Here Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal are the major states where the river Ganga flows from. Polluted stretches. Downstream, in the downstream of Ganga, you can see the Kanpur city. Here, industrial pollution forms towns like Kanpur. In the downstream of Varanasi to Farakka barrage, in this region, major pollution took place by domestic waste from urban centers, dumping of carcasses in river. Main polluters cities of Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata release domestic waste into the river Yamuna. Here, Yamuna River mainly flows in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Delhi to confluence with Chambal and Mathura and Agra. Nature of pollution from Delhi to Chambal is extraction of water by Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for irrigation. Delhi dumping is domestic waste. Here in Mathura and Agra, agricultural runoff resulting in high levels of micropollutants in the Yamuna. Domestic and industrial waste of Delhi falling into the river. Here we will complete the video, and in the next part we will learn more about the chapter. Thank you.